Another great day here at Harris Automotive. We have a 2009 Lexus RX 350 that has an exhaust leak. I'm going to show you the benefits of having a smoke machine. Yes, you can smoke an exhaust using a smoke machine. Check it out. Okay, we have our smoke machine installed in the tailpipe here of our smoke machine. So when we come down the exhaust, first we have a little exhaust leak right here. Such a bad weld. I come up to the exhaust manifold. Look at that leak at the exhaust manifold. You can see it's leaking there. Let's come to the other side, get a better look. And we thought we had a cracked exhaust manifold, but actually we just have a leaky gasket right there. We're gonna get the gasket removed and let's go to the next step. Okay, so we have our exhaust manifold slid back, and let me show you this gasket. This here is the gasket. You can clearly see where it was leaking from. So we're gonna go ahead and get this replaced. Okay, we got our Lexus back together and running. Can you hear it? I can't. Check this out. This was the exhaust manifold gasket that came out. I know you're tired of hearing me say this. Aftermarket. This is what a factory OEM exhaust manifold gasket should look like. We actually thought this was factory, but it wasn't, and this was actually the issue. Aftermarket, cheap leaking. Replaced it with a complete unit here, and we are good. Okay, let's hear it in the comments that aftermarket is just as good as not. Thanks for